don't care for this plant. I'm sorry, I just don't. And so what we're going to do, we are going to repot these two together.
Yeah, where you
This is the orchid. Well, this is the orchid that I gave to my mom. If you don't already know, the it's done flowering, and so it's about to start producing new roots.
And look here, that's barely working.
I just told you that I didn't want it, and you said, well, bring it over here to me.
Oh, okay.
Because, honey, I was just going to let out. Hey, PhalPals, welcome back. So now we're about to do this quick impromptu video on repotting 2 phaleanopsis in the same pot. I have never seen anybody else do this, and my mom asked me, is this something that can be done? I have done it before, but they were only potted together about a month before I separated them. So we are going to repot both of these phaleanopsis in the same pot. We got some styrofoam in the bottom of the pot to help with the drainage. And we are going to use the same moss because I go through moss too fast. And we just squeeze in the pot all around the edges to try to get it to come out as easy as possible. Here we go. And so since she is already like that, I'm gonna leave her right there so we don't have to disturb her roots too much. You want it light and airy. I've messed up so many times compacting it all in. This orchid, we gonna see if she wanna live. Then she'll do what she need to do, because I don't know what to do, and I don't want her, so. Okay. I'm putting it like that. Come over here, Mom, so they can see what I'm doing.
I'm fine.
Okay.
I'm fine where I'm at.
Okay.
They can see it real good. If they can't see us, they need to check their glasses.
Lord Jesus.
They ain't got glasses, they need to get some. Because I can see just as perfectly, and I need glasses.
Well, we lifting you up in prayer that you get you some glasses.
I had got some, but they was too strong. The folks went crazy and put too much medicine in there. And I didn't know I can reject the glasses. I didn't know. So I know now. To tell them, no, I don't want them. Give me some new ones. Okay, you probably talking.
Oh, you was talking. But, we almost done.
And that's it?
Yeah, I didn't put that much moss in there because I don't know what this orchid wants to do. And this one was already compacted in the moss that it was already in, so I didn't disturb the roots at all.
So do we need to wet the moss again?
We need to get this out of the crown. Bring it, can't let them see. You want to get this out of the crown so you don't create a bacterial or fungus infection. But what'd you ask me?
I forgot. Oh, do we need to wet it again?
Oh,
Cause the old one is wet. But
and this mouse is damp, so it's okay. And I just wet the roots before I potted it in here. And like I said, we don't know what she wants to do, so let her be as free as she wants to, and hopefully she probably will produce area roots. But we're just gonna leave them in the pot like this. Make sure we get the moss from out of between of the leaves in case she wants to produce roots from the axis of the plant. But all right, PhalPals, thank you so much for tuning in. Until next time.